Alright guys, I'm gonna basically right now do lineup sorta of all the tractors I have right now. So this first section, which I haven't marked, I'll tell you when it stops, is at the lineup for my model farm. So let's get started here. We've got the 8430 four-wheel drive, very nice, and it's in mint condition. Besides, for when I got it out of the package, which I think it was one of the back wheels. Where is it? Well, I don't know which wheel it is, but one of the inside wheels is bent. I don't know why, but just is. So, and it's got row crop duals. Alright, so next we've got a Massey Ferguson 1155. It's one of the old Masseys. This is the new version of it that Ertl came out with. I don't know when this was actually made. It was out of a historical set and I've actually got the other three tractors out of four. I'm gonna be getting the fourth one tomorrow, hopefully. So yeah, nice condition. It's got the glass cab. You can see the glass. Yeah. So let's move on. This here is what people have told me, an 7800 or something like that. I'm gonna say a 7800. Very nice shape. It's got a green smudge on the decal over here, right on there. You can see that. And I put some custom front tires because I took the front tires off to put on something else. And back tires, I took the back tires off because I hated the back tires, so just took them off. Yeah. Right here, it has no decal number, but it's supposed to be an 8400, or maybe a little bit bigger, but yeah, an 8400. It's about right. I got these custom saddle tanks on here, and a couple people said they like my planning setup. Yeah, and you can do this yourself. All you need is some glue and take these tanks out of the bottom of the cheap Peterbilt semis. Yeah. This is in pretty much mint condition as well. Yeah, as far as I can see, nothing. Alright, so we're gonna move on here down the line. And this is the marker that stops this farm's lineup. I've got to probably make a part 2. So here we have an 8410 with duals. These aren't row crop duals, but they're duals. So this is pretty new. Yeah, it's got some wear and tear there, as you can see there on the front decal, and over here the decal on the side's kind of peeling. But you know, 8310. Yeah, so that concludes my farm, so we're gonna move on here. A 9220 mint condition, a little dirty. It does have the deer star, it's just not painted. But yeah. 4440 Earl Crab Duels, and this is in mint condition. Um, 8520. This is pretty much brand new. No chips. Yeah. So, and it's got the deer star. Yep, mint condition. And an 80 and 70. Well, guys, that concludes this part. Part 2 coming soon. So, yeah. See ya.